Do it the best I can't keep.
You were doing it better with this one, I think. Try that one.
We got Jackson. He woke up. Jackson, people are in. Oh. You want to go in the woods?
Yeah.
You do? What do you want to do, Jackson?
Good job.
Go in the woods? Then is Liz in there somewhere?
Yeah, she's gonna, I think ready to get Thea.
Oh, okay.
Good job, buddy.
You want to go in the woods with me or leave this away? I'm going to use it with my
I'm going to take Maya and Jackson in there.
Yeah?